Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I'm going to show you a roll that feels amazing. Well, it's kind of a half roll. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the frog roll and manipulate it a little bit. So a frog roll is where we rotate, touch same side arm and leg together and sit up, and then we undo it by rotating back, touching the same side and coming down. Now one of the reasons I didn't even know this, but I've always loved the frog roll. But I was always like, but it's kind of a weird roll because it's called the frog roll, and rolling's supposed to be like the foundation of our gait pattern, but I was like, I don't know how the frog roll is our gait pattern because, you know, it's the same side is moving together, but then it hit me. The frog roll is exactly our gait pattern, and this is just for you nerds and geeks that want to geek out and nerd out at home. But look, if I'm doing this, I am really doing this, and that is, oh, can you see? I need to position myself. Sorry about that. So if I'm doing this, I'm running. So the frog roll, heck, we could even call it the running roll, because we're really running. Anyway, what we're gonna do is, I'm sorry, I'm spazzing out here, getting all excited. We're going to take that frog roll and we're gonna continue on where they're not just touching, but passing each other, and then we're gonna separate them out, and this is the amazing part. And then we're gonna do the other side. So we're gonna pass and reach. Oh yeah, pass and reach. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now, you're very welcome. Pass and reach. So from the front, or just from a different angle, we're here, and then we're here, and we're here. Well, now it's just come to my attention that we're really not rolling at all, are we? We are reaching. I'm showing you the run reach or the frog reach. Either way, it feels amazing. And this is one of my new favorite things to do in the morning when I'm just, rolling around on the floor, when I'm actually rolling. Anyway, guys, give that a shot. So again, you're on your forearms, you rotate over a little bit, you pass your arm and leg, so it looks like you're kind of running. And then you reach away from each other until you just feel very satisfied with how good and awesome this feels. And then you come back and do the other side. And that's it, guys. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.